Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen flickering or lagging on your OPPO A6x 4G smartphone. So first of all, let's troubleshoot the issue by disabling RAM expansion to make sure that this storage speed is not the bottleneck of this problem. If it is, then resolve this issue for good. Then to do this, we're gonna have to go to About Device menu in Settings, and then select RAM, and then disable RAM expansion like this. Exit this menu, select Restart Now to apply settings, and then wait until the smartphone is restarted. After the restart, see if the situation has improved, and if it hasn't, then what we're gonna need to do next is check whether the smartphone has any software updates, because oftenly issues like screen flickering get fixed with the newest security updates. So let's go to System and Update. Let's select Software Update and check if the phone has any updates to install. And if it does have an update, then take your time to download and install the latest software version. And then let your smartphone restart, and hopefully the issue will be gone right after the restart. If not, you can still adjust the brightness of your smartphone by going to Display and Brightness menu and disabling auto brightness right here, and then just set the brightness level to the point where you don't experience any screen flickering on your device's display. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.